A cucumber a day will surprisingly transform your body. Did you know that cucumbers belong to the Cucurbitaceae family? Many other participants of the family encompass squash and unique types of melon consisting of bitter melon. Cucumbers provide various vitamins. It has one of the lowest calories among vegetables. It provides about only 12 calories per 100 grams. It contains vitamin K, which helps clot the blood, and it may additionally assist the bone health of a person. A cup weighing 142 grams of chopped, unpeeled, and uncooked cucumber presents about 10.2 micrograms of vitamin K, according to the United States Department of Agriculture. Today, we will discuss how a cucumber a day will surprisingly transform your body. Cucumber is an anti-inflammatory and has an excessive amount of antioxidants. By presenting a brilliant amount of really helpful nutrients, it can promote a healthy physique and skin. Cucumbers are the best source of potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. Eating cucumbers can lead to many manageable health benefits, such as weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and decreased blood sugar levels. This makes it perfect to add to your everyday salad. It is helpful in digestion. Cucumbers generally act as a coolant for the stomach. The soluble fiber which is present in cucumbers helps in slowing the digestive process of our body. It does not contain saturated fat or cholesterol. Cucumber rinds are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help reduce constipation. Cucumber juice is a very alkalizing and hydrating drink. It is highly rich in nutrients such as nutritional vitamins A, C, K, magnesium, silicon, and potassium. It possesses the capability to cleanse and detox the human body. Apart from this, it can also help to alleviate digestive problems. These problems may include gastritis, acidity, heartburn, indigestion, and ulcers. Cucumbers help you stay hydrated. An average grown-up drinks about 3 quarts of water, which is about 12 cups of liquid, every day. About 1/4 of that commonly comes from food. Cucumbers are a notable source as they are water-based. Each one is about 95% water. That's important due to the fact that your cells need enough water to work right, without which you can feel dizzy and sick. If you are unable to meet your everyday fluid intake by just consuming water, you can consider including taste enhancers. It can be a cucumber or any similar fruit or vegetable that can incentivize you to drink more, increasing average hydration. Plus, what truly helps is that cucumbers are uber hydrating on their own. How can you make cucumber water for more hydration? The splendor of cucumber water is that it's past effortless to make and can be customized easily for more hydration. To mix water with hydrating and mineral-rich cucumber, you'll have to thinly slice a clean cucumber and soak it in 8 cups of cold and filtered water in the refrigerator. Now you need to leave it there for about 1 hour or up to 3 days. To make things simple, you can end your day with an amazing combination of water and cucumbers. If you feel the temptation to jazz things up, you can always add a few flavor-enhancing substances. These delicious enhancers may include mint, ginger, or lemon for even more advantages. Adding a few pinches of salt can help add electrolytes to replenish sodium and hydration after working out. It can help you get beautiful skin. It is the best source of silica, which is a mineral that benefits all pores and skin sorts and leaves it very refreshed. One simple ingredient has so many advisable properties. Isn't this brilliant? It is honestly more than adequate to refer to it as a magic wand for all of your skin issues due to its cooling properties. Following is a list of how cucumbers can help in enhancing your beauty. Spot removal. Blemishes irritate the skin and make it seem unhealthy and dull. The antioxidant qualities present in cucumbers aid in treating blemishes. Its antioxidants and other powerful components are useful in the fight against skin breakouts. Slowing down aging factors. It's challenging for the pores and skin to preserve their glow and radiance as we age. Aging is induced via several factors, not just because of your growing age. Environmental factors, which include sunlight, dirt, and pollution, may also have a position in the formation of lines and wrinkles. Cucumber is very high in folic acid and caffeic acid. This is something that boosts your skin's collagen synthesis. It keeps the glow of your skin by fending off the emergence of fine lines, age spots, and wrinkles. Getting rid of dark circles. The silica and antioxidants discovered in cucumbers assist combating these dark circles. Although this might not cast off your darkest circles, it can help you prolong their onset. Dark circles develop as the pores and skin around the eyes discolor. To tighten facial pores. To tighten your pores and maintain clear skin, you ought to use a toner. If you've ever searched for some good toner, you might have seen that the majority of them include some amount of cucumber in them. This is because cucumbers are viewed to be very pleasant and gentle to be used as a skin toner. Cucumbers include substances like silica that work with the pores to make them healthy and tighten them for a more beautiful and clean appearance. It can control your blood sugar. High blood sugar can help create too many cell-damaging elements. These elements are regarded as ROS and ROC. Cucumbers have been proven in animal studies that they can effectively control this problem. Rats that ate more cucumbers formed much less ROS and ROC. However, much more research on people is required to back up these reports. Cucumbers are very low in carbohydrates, so they can be a proper choice for those with improved blood sugar levels. Early trials suggest that cucumber is one of the most high-quality flours. This was not only for decreasing blood sugar ranges, but also decreasing the danger of hypoglycemia for the duration of a blood sugar drop. It is helpful in weight loss. Cucumbers have fewer calories and zero fats. They are regarded as extraordinarily low-calorie meals, which are made up of 96% water. A 100-gram cucumber adds up to just 45 calories, which is perfect for someone on a diet. They are packed with minerals, dietary fibers, and other nutritional vitamins which are very fantastic for losing belly fat. Also, cucumbers act as a water tablet and help flush out extra water and toxins and help emit urine easily. Cucumbers also help in tightening your stomach muscle groups and reduce bloating. How to prevent heartburn from occurring from a cucumber. Concerning heartburn, cucumbers are an alkaline meal and, as a consequence, neutralize the acid in the physique by growing the pH value. Many experience soreness from consuming positive cucumbers due to the fact that these fruits can contain a compound known as cucurbitacin that may additionally cause heartburn or indigestion. Fortunately, if you have a similar response to cucumbers, there are varieties accessible that are not likely to cause the stomach any discomfort. Burpless cucumbers are recognized for their thin, gentle pores and skin, which have fewer seeds when in contrast with different cucumbers. These burpless cucumbers are candy and delicious. They additionally incorporate little or no cucurbitacin, which means they probably won't lead to burping or indigestion. If you've prevented eating cucumbers before due to any discomfort, now is the time to change that. You can still revel in crisp, tasty cucumbers this summer season without upsetting your stomach. What disease can a cucumber help you prevent? If some chopped cucumber is taken along with its skin, it provides around 1 gram of fiber. This fiber also helps in protection against colorectal cancer. According to the American Heart Association, you should know that the fiber present in cucumbers can help manage the LDL cholesterol and prevent associated cardiovascular problems. Taking a cup of unpeeled cucumber additionally offers a lot of potassium and a certain amount of magnesium. The dietary guidelines advise that, in general, adults devour 4,700 milligrams of potassium every day and 310 to 410 milligrams of magnesium, depending on sex and age. Reduction in sodium consumption and growing potassium intake may additionally assist in preventing excessive blood pressure. Cucumbers might also play a large role in controlling and preventing the disease of diabetes. It incorporates resources that can also assist in lowering blood sugar or causing blood glucose from rising too high. According to one theory, the cucurbitacins in cucumber assist in adjusting the insulin launch and the metabolism of the hepatic glycogen, which is a key hormone required for the processing of blood sugar. In a study, it was found that cucumber peel helped manipulate the symptoms of diabetes in mice. However, this can also be due to the antioxidant content found in it. Cucumbers encompass beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant. This antioxidant helps your body fight free radicals. This makes it work wonders for your skin. Apart from external applications, you can also drink or eat cucumber instead of applying it directly to your skin. With this, we have reached the end of the video. If you liked our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Health and press the bell icon so you keep getting the latest updates from our channel.